My God, I just experienced the most terrified thunderstorm I've ever seen in my life. My God. I'm on this mountain pass. It's called Karabura. And now the thundercloud has moved that way. And the sun has finally come out. My God, I mean, the thunder was right above my head. And I could see the lightning like literally on my side, right next to me. It was hailing, raining, snowing. I don't know, man. It was a mixture of ice, water, and whatnot. It was scary. At one point, I lost my visibility completely. But luckily, there was a truck driver. There was a truck at this turn, and I passed him, but he rolled down the window and told me to come over. So I went to his truck, and I stayed with him until the clouds are gone. Woo! I think the current elevation is about 3,200 meters. Woo! All right, peace and love.